Welcome! Today, we're diving into the updated process of viewing highlights on Instagram. Whether you want to revisit cherished memories or check out what your friends have shared, highlights are a fantastic feature that keeps those stories alive beyond their usual 24-hour lifespan. Let's walk through the steps to view these highlights effortlessly. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version for a smooth experience. Once you're in the app, you'll see your home feed. From here, look for the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. This action will take you to your profile page. Next, enter the profile that contains the highlight you wish to view. You can either search for a specific user by using the search bar at the top, or scroll through your feed to find them. Once you're on their profile, take a moment to glance at their bio and posts. Now here's where the fun begins. Under their bio, click on the highlight you want to view. Highlights are represented as circular icons just above their regular posts. Tap on the highlight icon that piques your interest. This will open up a collection of stories that have been saved under that particular highlight. As you watch through the stories, remember that these highlights can contain a variety of content, from fun moments and events to important announcements. If you want to see who has viewed these highlights, simply swipe up while watching a story in that highlight. This action will reveal a list of viewers, giving you insight into who's engaging with that content. And there you have it. Viewing highlights on Instagram is straightforward and allows you to enjoy past stories at any time. Whether you're catching up on friends' adventures or reliving your own special moments, highlights serve as a beautiful way to keep those memories alive. So go ahead, explore those highlights and enjoy all that Instagram has to offer.